So it is day 25 of the Advent calendar, which I just did the budgeting for my first paycheck yesterday. I was waiting for some bills to come through because I'm kind of like a month ahead. So I haven't had a chance to go to the bank, so it is an IOU for a total of $10. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add up how much each day was for the total for the Advent calendar. And then after that, I'm going to count up the cash because I know there is a difference between the two. The cash, I did take some out along with most of what was in for the house maintenance because some kids came and shoveled one day. I didn't have enough money in the house maintenance sinking fund. So, but let's see how much it is in total. So, for day one, it was $10. And day 2 was $2. Day 3, $1. Day 4, $6. Day 5, $2. Day 6, $5. Day 7 and 8 was $1 each. Days 9 and 10 were $5 each. Day 11 was $3. Day 12 was $5. Day 13 and 14 was total of $20. Day 15 and 16 were $1 each. $30 for day 17. $5 for day 18. Day 19 was $4. Day 20, $2. 21 and 22 was $10 each for a total of $20. Then day 23 and 24 was a total of $10. And then day 25 is no, I think I don't know if that's right. Today I'm going to add this up real quick. I don't know if I messed up. Yeah. So I did mess up. It was supposed to be 149. So 149 was the total. So in a whole year, that's a pretty big amount. I was only hoping for maybe $65. But yeah, because that is whole month's worth of food and groceries. Obviously, I'm not going to use it all for that. And I don't have as much of that because I have used some, which I will get to counting. However, so what I did was I took a little bit of each paycheck from one paycheck, and then the rest from another paycheck wasn't actually from the paycheck. It was whatever I had left for my food and my gas budget. So that one I wasn't, paying attention. Just whatever I had, I was put in the Advent calendar day. So divided by 12 was so $149 comes out to $12.41 each month, which doesn't, in some ways doesn't seem like a lot, but in other ways, it does add up. So let's see how much I still actually have left. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, wait, I don't know, so that was 30. I'm gonna redo these actually. I need to get find my tripod thing. So I have 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 95, 100. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have $130 left. Which is really good. So I have $130. Started with $149 or $30. So it was $19 that I spent, adding up with the snow removal. So I have $130 left in cash. I'm going to take out $65. So I have $65 left after I take out the $65 for holidays, which is good. And I think what I'm going to do, I know on New Year's Eve I had taken the day off. And I originally had some plans. They all got canceled. So they're going to have a free movie at the theater. I'm going to go to that. And then I might see the new SpongeBob movie. I've watched the show a few times with my husband when he was alive. We didn't watch it all the time, though. And we never saw any of the movies. I thought there was only like 1 or 2 movies out. Come to find out there's a bunch. But I thought this kind of, seems cheery, so maybe I might see that and use a little bit of the $65. And hopefully won't use more than like 15 or 20. It's what my limit is going to be out of the $65 that I have left over for myself. Then the rest of it I'm going to put towards either probably taxes and home maintenance is probably what I'll do, depending on how much I have left over. Because I don't have quite half of what I need to pay the accountant, because that's a couple of $100. So, yeah, that's what I will do. So, you may start out, you may think, oh, yeah, $1, $5, $2, but, and I did get lucky, because several times I did have $10, and then that one time I did have 30, so, but this just goes to show you it all adds up. You don't think it will, but eventually, it does. So I am going to do this next year, and actually, I've already kind of figured out how much I'm going to have come out of the second December paycheck. So, but everyone has a great day, and take care, everyone.